Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate covered strawberries with many different designs. So let's get started. In order to make them, you need to temper chocolate. It means you can only heat it to a certain point in order for it to set properly. If you don't temper the chocolate, if you just melt it and use it, it will take hours to set unless you put it in the fridge. And it will be very soft and it melts easily at room temperature. I have a video showing how to temper chocolate and I'll put a link to it in the description box. Wash the strawberries and dry them off completely. They must be completely dry because if any water gets into your chocolate, it will make it seize, and I explained more about that in my tempering chocolates video. Then just dip the strawberries into the melted chocolate. Shake off any excess, and place them onto a sheet of parchment paper. And leave them until the chocolate sets. And if you like, you can drizzle some tempered white chocolate on top of them. And use whatever chocolate you like. It can be milk, white, or dark. Once it sets, you can even dip one side of it again into a different type of chocolate. And leave it to set. Then for a marble effect, drizzle some white chocolate on top of some milk or dark chocolate, or use whatever chocolate you like. Pull back the stem of the strawberries. Stick a toothpick inside of the strawberry. Place it just onto the surface of the chocolate and swirl it around to cover the strawberry in the chocolate. And place it onto a sheet of parchment paper and let it set. If you start getting less of a marble effect, just drizzle a little more white chocolate on top of it. And you can even do the marble effect using colored white chocolate. So place some of the white chocolate into two separate bowls and color them using either oil-based or powdered food coloring. Don't use liquid or gel food coloring or it will make the chocolate seize. Drizzle or dollop the colored chocolate over the white chocolate. And I'm inserting 2 toothpicks inside the strawberry so it can turn better. Place the strawberry just onto the surface of the chocolate and turn it to cover it in the chocolate. Place it onto a sheet of parchment paper and let it set. Then do that for the rest of them. And that's how to make chocolate-covered strawberries with many different designs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.